Germany walking tour in Hannover, district of Lower Saxony.
Deutschland-Rundgang in Hannover, Landkreis Niedersachsen.
Having no snowfall during this tour in Hanover in March reminded me of the effects of global warming. As snow lover to the level that I am sometimes thinking to move to Siberia, or maybe the Eskimo land, I refer to all the facts behind the crises that have befallen our world since the end of the Cold War era, explaining ground facts in my ethical journalism. You may want to get involved if you love the nature which has been in balance since the creation of this universe, so we can form a strong network and change the world. Be a tiger.
Dass während dieser Tour in Hannover im März kein Schneefall gefallen ist, hat mich an die Auswirkungen der globalen Erwärmung erinnert. Als Schneeliebhaber auf der Ebene, dass ich manchmal daran denke, nach Sibirien oder vielleicht ins Eskimo-Land zu ziehen, beziehe ich mich auf alle Fakten hinter den Krisen, die unsere Welt seit dem Ende der Ära des Kalten Krieges heimgesucht haben, und erkläre Grundfakten in meinem ethischen Journalismus. Vielleicht möchten Sie sich engagieren, wenn Sie die Natur lieben, die seit der Erschaffung dieses Universums im Gleichgewicht ist, damit wir ein starkes Netzwerk bilden und die Welt verändern können. Sei ein Tiger.
Downfall, it says. This is downfall, it says. I will not go in until I am sure of things. This is downfall now. This is in the elevator downfall. No, please don't. This is downfall. I will try to down one. This is downfall. Then I'll try to down one. Down 3 now, down 2, down 1. This is a different system. This. And these are what? These are the toilet. No. These are toilets? No, I don't think so.
Germanize your journey.
I really don't know why these things here. This is not opening. And this woman here, I don't know. So I will get up again. I'll get up again from down 1 to, I think, to the first floor. I put my foot on a wrong step. No, it's not here, it is here. Yes, I came back. Thank God. I like this art gallery. Why I like it? Because it is fantastic with some ecstatic art. Ecstasy is always making beautiful arts. Yes, that is it.
All of the places here are enjoyable. But, I'm really wondering, where do you actually enjoy your time? Can you tell me that in the comment?
جبال ما شفت أنا. قبل ما شفته أنا.
Break the barriers of passivism. Simply interact with the channel.
A friend in need is, well, you know the rest.
Ein Freund in Not ist, na ja, den Rest kennst du.
Start your day with this channel.
Beginnen Sie Ihren Tag mit diesem Kanal.
Join the Feminist Rise community.